So I had an overripe banana, which I didn't quite know what to do with. So what I decided was I mashed the banana. I added in 1 egg and about 4 tablespoons of porridge or rolled oats. And I mixed it together and I added a sprinkling of cinnamon. And here's what I'm going to do with this. So I'm going to place the mixture into a hot pan and create little flapjacks or mini pancakes. I could do one large one, but I kind of feel like doing 2 or 3 small ones. I haven't tried this before. Let's see how this goes. Oh, there's some more going, and this is rather yummy. It's a bit hot, but really yummy. So here is, well, to be honest, I've eaten about 3. So as you can see, 1 banana, and I added an extra egg. So 1 banana, 2 eggs, and 4 tablespoons or so of porridge or rolled oats and some cinnamon creates these yummy, steamy, these are hot, little banana flapjacks that you can eat as is. Or maybe add with a little bit of, have with some Greek yogurt, some berries. I think I'm just going to eat these as is off the plate. Oh, they're lovely and warm. Bon appetit.